gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the newly redesigned 2021 Atlas, along with some very special guests.
Robertson. I'm the CEO of Camp Ooch, or as we like to call it, Ooch. Now, Camp Ooch was started back in 1983 by an ambitious group of volunteers who thought that kids with cancer would need not only chemotherapy and radiation, they would need friendship and fun. Yeah, we bring kids to camp, but we also bring camp to kids. And we do that by driving these Atlases. They're big enough that we can put all of our camping equipment in there, as well as all of our people, and we can go to places like Ottawa or Windsor, Sudbury or Hamilton. We bring camp closer to home. It's very special. What's even more special is that the team of Volkswagen Canada is so behind the camp. Every year they come to the camp in the spring to help us tidy up and get things ready for the kids, and then they come up again in September to tidy up from the summer and get things ready for our winter programs. I mean, every year the Volkswagen team helps take part in our Sporting Life 10K. It's a fundraiser. They help raise funds because they know that there's still so many kids who don't have access to an oncology camp in Ontario, and they want to be that change. Here, I hear what you're saying about being the change. And for Camp Ooch, Volkswagen Canada has been part of that change, a big part. They've allowed us to expand our programs and add thousands of camper days. It's cool stuff. You know, what happens at camp, it's life-changing.
So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to our Hyundai Vision T concept.
For its Canadian debut, I'd like to give to you the 2020 Nero plug-in hybrid.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new 2021 Nissan Versa.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the newest member of the Jeep family. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new 2020 Gladiator Mojave.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 2020 Subaru BRZ TS.
global auto show debut right here in Toronto. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2021 Cadillac Escalade. All new from the ground up, this Escalade brings multiple industry-first technologies.
So the first time in Canada, please help me welcome the Lexus LF30 electrified concept.
Making their Canadian debut right here in Toronto, we are proud to introduce the all-new 2021 Chevy Suburban and Chevy Tahoe. Also making its Canadian debut, really symbolizing Chevrolet's leadership in performance, technology, and design. Introducing the 8th Gen 2020 mid-engine Corvette Stingray convertible.
So it's my pleasure to present this magnificent vehicle before us. With the one-off Bugatti, the Voiture Noire, Bugatti once again proved that it produces the world's most powerful, most luxurious, and most exclusive hyper sports cars. With this vehicle, Bugatti paid homage to its heritage, its French heritage, and its French identity. It took performance, speed, technology, and aesthetic into a new era.
Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce Mr. José Casas, the man who designed the BMW M Vision Next concept car.
As you remember, 1.5 years ago, we introduced to the world the BMW Vision i Next, which it was the is, or it is the is of BMW, which means it's more of autonomous driving, it's more about the experience of the passengers. Well, this car is completely the opposite. This car is all about the passion of driving, it's all about driving, driver orientation, and it's the boost of BMW.
It is my distinct pleasure to unveil the next chapter in our story. Please welcome the first SUV from Genesis, GV8.
Now I have the privilege to show you 3 Canadian premieres today. Our first is the newest addition to the GT model portfolio, the mid-engine 718 Cayman GT4. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to proceed with our Canadian premiere of the new 911 Carrera. Lastly, we have a very special vehicle for you, which celebrates a part of the company's motor racing history, the 935. Wow, a beast. Incredible.